A little chilly today, a little windy, but we had an exciting morning this morning here on the farm. We had a photo shoot for a really fun project, so that'll be coming up soon. I cannot wait to share that with you guys. Time to feed cows in the rain. Not too bad, just a little bit. Gate girl. Got it? I don't always ride with Jake to feed the cows, but since his knee is still pretty bummed out, I am riding with him so I can hop out and open and shut the gate so he doesn't have to crawl in and out all the time. Just waiting in the rain. I think the tractor died. That's our luck. His belt come off, he said. It's always something. Well, we're killing time waiting to shut the gate. Earlier I talked about how we had a really exciting day on the farm with our photo shoot for a couple really big projects we got going on. And I know it's easy to look at that and compare people's successes, but I just wanted to remind you that we have cool things going on, yes. I have been given some really cool opportunities and things like that, but it has taken years and years of hard work and prayer and going where God has called me and obedience, even when that obedience was not fun. And I don't want you guys to ever look at me and think that I haven't worked so hard for this or that this was all just placed in my lap, and to compare yourself to me in that way and think that you're not measuring up or some crazy thing like that, because I'm still even looking at women who are ahead of me and thinking, I'll never get there. I'll never get there. And I forget that they have been working years and years and years to get where they're at now. So just a little reminder. So many babies. Hi, babies. It's raining harder, and the tractor keeps dying. It's cold. Moral of the story, if you're working on something, if you're pursuing something, if God has put a dream in your heart, it's so easy to compare, and it's so easy to look at where other people are at. But keep your eyes focused on your work and on Him and where He is calling you, and just try to stay focused on that. Focus on the fact that He has placed this dream in your heart and will see it to fruition, and keep being obedient to that. the feed wagon is plugged. Like, plugged. But they got enough for today, so we'll take the tractor in the shed and try to unplug it. Cutter. Come here, farm dog. Cutter. You're Maddie.